I'm going to show you how to build a blind corner pantry. The tools we require are some safety equipment, a level, square, pencil, some clamps, tape measure, cordless drill and some drill bits. Due to the size of the components, this is advisable to have two people to put it together. First step is to undo the packaging. When you do unpack everything, lay everything out because these are the components you will be using, and just to make sure you do have everything. Now that we've opened the packaging, the most important thing in it is the instructions. The instructions are very important because they show us how to put the components together and will avoid costly mistakes later. We have a side panel, the back panel, our friend John who's going to help hold it for us. But to help support it, we're going to place the middle shelf in position. Go to the centre and put one in the middle. If John could just push the centre panel back to make sure it's flush at the back. Thanks, John. Sit. Then put the rest of the screws in. Next step is we're going to fix this centre shelf in. Then we're going to roll the cupboard over and put the other side panel on. We are also putting screws in the back of the cupboard through the pre-drilled holes. We'll place this side piece in position, flush at the end. Now we'll fix the centre shelf in with 50mm screws. The next step is to place the base on our pantry unit. We know which is the base because of our fixed shelf is closer to this end. We also know which side of the base goes to the floor, which is pre-drilled for our legs. Now we need to put the top on the cabinet, again using 50mm screws. Next step is to place our legs on the cabinet. There are 4 components to the leg: the base, the feet and the extension arm. We screw those together, place the foot on, gentle tap, and that slips into our base, which is set at 145, which is the measurement for our kick rail. This is where we use our square set at 145. Place that there. You either wind that down or up to reach the 145 measurement. Once that's reached, we can take that off the base unit, and the bases are fitted to the base with 28mm screws. Next step is we're going to put our legs to connect them. Next step is to place this panel on the pantry using these connectors and posts provided. Now we'll place the connector in the pre-drilled holes in the cabinet. These are the cams used for the locator pins. They have an arrow on them which shows you the direction they should go in. Now we're going to turn the panel over so these pins go into these holes into the cam. Once our panel's in, next step is to turn our cams to lock the pins in. Now that this panel's on, it's ready to lift into position. Just be very careful when you do lift it in of the plastic legs that you have someone help you. Now that we've assembled our blind corner pantry, all that's needed to go in there is the shelves, which are adjustable and you can put it any level you like. And that's how we assemble a blind corner pantry.